Hi, today's topic is how Morris Garage grow in India in such difficult times of automobiles industries. MG Motors, the latest car brand to enter India, is trying to position itself as an innovation and technology leader in a bid to crack the market, which is dominated by Maruti Suzuki and Hyundai, who is together account of 70% of all cars sold. Nearly 3 years ago, in September 2017, MG Motors India inaugurated its manufacturing facility in Halol, Gujarat, and announced its plan for India. MG Hector, the first car of the iconic British brand now owned by SAIC, formerly Shanghai Auto Industrial Corporation, was India's first connected SUV. It offered remote vehicle control, voice assistant, and other features and has been reasonably well received by customers. Within a week of its launch, the car has run up 30,000 bookings. It has so far delivered more than 10,000 units. The company has already announced its second product, MG ZS EV, an electrical vehicle. The car powered by a 44 kWh battery with a range of 335 km. The company wants to differentiate themselves as a technology leader and is working with partners to set up a charging infrastructure and work on battery end of life strategy. Their emphasis has been on recruiting the right people, selecting the right dealers, and creating the right brand image. The company is appointing just one dealer in a city to ensure the profitability for the dealer and tell their dealers that you take care of the customers, we will take care of your profitability. Its retail footprint involves 5 different models, keeping in mind the maximum reach for the customer and profitability for dealers. They has their own facility that will help them to customize the battery for the models better and give them a pricing advantage. They have 10-year strategy. The phase 1. The phase 1 of 3 years is about getting the fundamental rights like right employees, right dealers, appropriate locations, good products, a reasonable cost of ownership, and to start establishing the brand image right away. The focus is not to run behind big volumes and big share markets. Their biggest focus is on ensuring employees' satisfaction, dealer satisfaction, and customer satisfaction as that well set foundation for future growth. From phase 2, post 2021 to 22, they will start eyeing high volume segment, which means they will expand the network, manufacturing capacity, have more products, more localizations, and have more linkages to the economy. And then the third phase, post 2024 to 2025, is about volume growth with profitability. MG Motors India already has 120 showrooms across the country and is in the process of having over 250 dealerships. Thank you.